Sunday Bloody Sunday by U2. I remember this song growing up, just thinking it was one of the coolest rockin'est songs. Very unique and fun to play. It's only got a couple of chords, so why don't I quit yapping and let's do it. So no capo needed here, and we're starting off with, well, the key is in D major, but it really starts off with this B minor. So it goes B minor, I can't believe, D major, the news today, G. G. You can play a regular G, or you can put those fingers right there. Do it again, B minor, I can't close my eyes, D, and make it go away, G major. And then it goes to a D major, how long, E minor, how long must we sing this song? D major, how long, E minor, how long, you know, all that stuff. And then it goes tonight, B minor, D major, G. We can be as one tonight, and does it all over again. And then it does that for the verse. So it's really the same chords, but the key is to get that, you know, rockin', sort of like military style. So sort of play a B minor, but just hold your fingers over it for a second. That is super fun to do. It's just cool. It's cool on guitar. So then when you push down a little bit, you start squeezing on your left hand. B minor. And you try to palm mute and lift up these fingers just enough to where you're only hitting these emphasis notes like this. Ready? Go into the chorus, it's D major, sort of goes this halftime thing, D major, how long, you can strum from the top like that, pretty cool. And then if you want to do that, take those 3rd fret of the B and the E and go up to the 5th fret and back to the 3rd fret, you know, and then you're ready to go again. Really great song, what, 4 or 5 chords right there, and fun to play. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for some more really short lessons. Later.